Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw a hand holding a piece of equipment or a heavy object, and we have done different videos in which we have featured hands holding different things, and we would recommend checking them out. We have tried to make the tips very easy in all those videos, but this is yet another angle, and as awesome as hands are, there are just so many angles that we can see them working and doing wondrous things. So that is the oval that will be comprising the work area and the framework, and the wrist is going to come around there somewhere. Wrist somewhat part of this routine as well, because it actually enhances the image in the sense that it gives that balance to the frame of the finger set and the thumbs. So let's first get the object going. So let's say that we have a huge object. So let's say it's a big wrench or it's a lever, and it's going that way. Now mostly the videos that we have put out before, except for a travel mug that's like a little bit conical coming down, we have done straight objects, and which is the elementary practice. But let's say that this is a wrench. So wrench is usually heavier at this end. So we have put down a kind of wrench, and the hand will grasp the wrench right around here. So if you have your pencils all set, let us get some core lines going. So the thumb, let's put it here somewhere. So we always encourage doing sausages. There's some foreshortening here as well. Foreshortening as in that certain things will appear smaller than they are. So we're doing 1, 2, and 3 for the thumb. For the finger, let's come all the way down here. So it's a big, it's a wide grip. So we'll do sausages on the ends. So 1, and then we slide into the middle finger there, 2, 3, and the little guy. Now I do not, with this width, we think that it's just going to go here, and you can Google images online and check out like wide grips, and something probably will come up that along these lines, and will make for some nice practice. So for now, this is what we have here, and let's put the framework down. So the thumb most likely going to come in like that, forming a core part of the grip. And then we can go into the skin folds. Now usually it's also very common to, when a hand is holding equipment like this, it's common to see gloves, so safety gloves. But since we are just determining how to go about this, we can just put in the fingers for now. So there we have it. If you look carefully, there's the thumb, there's a thumb, finger lines, and right here as well. So there's the curvature there, and we can work a fingernail and details in there. And right here, let's do that. Since everything is curling like this, like that, like around this entire structure, so we are maintaining, it becomes very easy to maintain that flow and to get some uh, like dependable structure out of it. And then the smallest finger will just go like that, because that's how it will be. It's not going to, possibly not going to grasp that object right around. I think it's just going to go outward like that, with an object like this wide. Now, there might be certain cases where that finger is larger for somebody, and it might actually end up like this, but I don't think so. I think that this must be sufficient for now, and of course, whatever the object is, we can put in the details later. Now, if there was a light source coming from above, let's say, we would be putting in the tones around every bulge, and then concentrating the tones and fills toward the areas that are farther apart from the, farther away from the light. So sort of like that. So the middle, so the bottom of the hand and the fingers probably partaking of that shadow. And right here into the thumb, you can put some tones in, some tones going into the skin there. And of course, all the other details we can keep throwing in and make this image pop out for whatever purpose we can use it for. It can be, it's used heavily, this grip is used heavily in pop culture. So somebody like Superman grasping a huge cable and saving the day, or somebody like a barbarian like character grasping that huge club, and the artists usually pay heed to the anatomy. So there we have it, one useful type of grip. Thank you for watching, and we hope that this was of some help. So we are putting content out every day, so please do check out other videos, do subscribe, keep in touch, let us share ideas. Have yourself a wonderful day.